Top budget drones of 2023. Drones have evolved substantially in recent years, and they are no longer just toys for hobbyists or tools for professionals. Drones are now more inexpensive than ever, with incredible functionality at reasonable pricing. Why should you consider a low-cost drone? Budget drones are an excellent starting point for individuals new to aerial photography and cinematography. They provide an excellent blend of cost and usefulness. Furthermore, they include outstanding capabilities that were previously reserved for high-end models, making them good alternatives for both novice and experienced drone pilots. Key features to look for in a low-cost drone. Before we get into our list of the top budget drones of 2023, let's go over the main things to look for when shopping for one. These features will ensure you get the most bang for your buck. Camera quality. A good drone should feature a high-resolution camera capable of taking crisp photographs and videos. Look for drones with at least 1080p or 4K video capabilities. Flight time. Longer flight times are usually preferable, so buy a drone with a good battery life to record more footage without having to recharge it frequently. Drones with GPS and intelligent flight modes provide superior stability and control, allowing you to capture professional-grade photos with ease. Range. Consider the maximum range of the drone to ensure it can cover the distances you need. Portability is essential if you intend to travel with your drone. Foldable designs are a plus. Price. Obviously, your budget is an important consideration when selecting a budget drone. Fortunately, the models discussed in this guide provide amazing features without breaking the bank. Now, let's take a look at our top budget drones for 2023. 1. EVO Nano Auto Robotics. Another fantastic inexpensive drone that deserves a spot on our list is the Auto Robotics EVO Nano. It has a 48MP camera that can capture 6K video and produces amazing images. This drone boasts outstanding endurance and range for its price point, with a flight time of up to 35 minutes and a maximum range of 15 kilometers. Because of its superior obstacle sensors and AI technology, the EVO Nano is well known for its superb obstacle avoidance skills. This functionality makes it a safe and easy-to-use choice for folks who are new to flying drones. It also has clever flight modes like Follow Me and Orbit, which offer a professional touch to your aerial photography and cinematography. 2. Bugs 16 Pro by MJX. The MJX Bugs 16 Pro is a low-cost drone equipped with a 4K camera and a 2-axis gimbal for stability and quality footage. It has GPS and several intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me and Orbit. The drone's flying period of about 28 minutes provides a good window for collecting aerial photos. The MJX Bugs 16 Pro is distinguished by its tough design. This drone is designed to resist light wind and less than ideal weather conditions, making it appropriate for use in a variety of settings. Its price and durability make it an appealing option for people who want to dabble in aerial photography without fear of crashing. 3. 4K Potensic Dreamer. The Potensic Dreamer 4K is a drone that is suitable for both novice and experienced users. Its 4K camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, resulting in stable and excellent video. The sophisticated features of the drone, such as GPS, Follow Me mode, and waypoint planning, make it simple to produce professional-level photos. The Dreamer 4K has a 31-minute flying time, giving you plenty of time to explore and photograph your surroundings. It also comes with a unique carrying case, which improves portability and protects your investment during transportation. 4. Mini 3 DJI. The DJI Mini 3 is the successor to the hugely successful DJI Mini 2. It keeps all of the characteristics that made its predecessor popular with drone enthusiasts. The DJI Mini 3 provides excellent value for money, with a 4K camera, a 31-minute flight time, and a maximum range of 10 kilometers. The drone has GPS and several intelligent flight modes, making it suited for both novice and experienced pilots. The DJI Mini 3S mobility is one of its most notable qualities. The small size and foldable propellers make it easy to transport in a bag. This drone is ideal for capturing stunning aerial images no matter where your activities take you. 5. HS720E Holy Stone. The Holy Stone HS720E is a low-cost drone that has impressive camera capabilities. This drone, which features a 4K camera and a 5G HC transmission system, ensures a reliable and clear connection while filming amazing aerial footage. Intelligent flight modes including as orbit, follow me, and waypoint navigation are also available for creative and dynamic photos. The Holy Stone HS720E has one of the longest flying times in its category, with a maximum flight time of 46 minutes. This increased flight time is a huge benefit for people who want to capture more content without having to replace out batteries frequently. The foldable shape of the drone adds to its portability, making it easy to carry on your trips. 6. Zeno Mini Pro Hubsan. Hubsan has earned a reputation for producing affordable yet feature-rich drones, and the Zeno Mini Pro is no exception. This drone has an amazing camera with a half-inch CMOS sensor and the capacity to record 4K video at 30 FPS. The Zeno Mini Pro also has a flight length of up to 40 minutes, which outperforms many drones in its price range. The Zeno Mini Pro is distinguished by its superior GPS and tracking technologies. It has obstacle avoidance as well as precise GPS tracking, making it a fantastic choice for shooting dynamic shots while remaining safe. Hubsan's drones are known for their durability, and the Zeno Mini Pro is no exception, making it perfect for adventures in a variety of circumstances. 7. SP7100 Snapton. The Snapton SP7100 is an entry-level drone with a low price tag. It has a 4K camera that can record 4K video at 30 frames per second. It provides consistent flight performance and numerous intelligent flight modes, including follow me, orbit, and waypoints, thanks to GPS. The SP7100 is noted for its easy-to-use controls and user-friendly UI, making it an excellent choice for individuals new to drone flying. The drone's flying length of up to 26 minutes guarantees that you have ample time to take the photos you desire. Furthermore, its low cost makes it an excellent entry-level drone for anyone interested in aerial photography. Budget drones will provide an interesting opportunity for everyone interested in aerial photography and filming in 2023. These drones offer excellent camera quality, long flying periods, and clever features at a fraction of the price of high-end versions. Before making a purchase, think about your individual demands and the qualities that are most important to you. As technology advances, the world of cheap drones gets more interesting, opening up new avenues for creativity and exploration in the skies. Don't pass up the opportunity to improve your aerial photography skills with one of these amazing affordable drones. Fly safely.